Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Parminder Kaur from IELTS at Ease. I am here with another cue card. Describe a time when the weather changed your plan. When this happened, where you were, what kind of weather it was, what you did at the end. Although I am a punctual person and do not prefer to cancel or postpone my plans, sometimes I have to do so under certain circumstances. Here, I would like to talk about a time when my plan was ruined due to poor weather conditions. I vividly remember a couple of years ago, I made up my mind to visit Jaipur with my friends. We decided to start our journey early in the morning to avoid traffic on Sunday. As per the plan, everyone gathered at my house at 5 am. We all were extremely excited as it was after a long time that we got a chance to break the monotony of our life. My mother started making tea for all of us. Suddenly, the sky got covered with dark clouds. First, it started drizzling, which then converted into heavy rainfall. I immediately turned on the TV to see the weather report. My all hopes were dashed when I learned that the rain was going to continue the whole day. Since roads were flooded with water and it was dangerous to drive, my mother asked me to postpone our trip. Initially, we waited for the rain to cease. However, due to the incessant rain, we had to cancel our plan and we decided to go on the same trip next Sunday. We spent that day at home and watched a movie on the internet. We also enjoyed some snacks prepared by my mother as she has excellent culinary skills. Though our plan was postponed, we all were happy because it was risky to go out in such a bad weather. So that was the time when I had to put off my plan owing to the unpleasant weather. Do you think that climate change has affected your country? Definitely, yes. Climate change has deeply affected my nation. Firstly, a rise in temperature has been observed. Due to it, people are confronting several health issues like dehydration, skin allergies, sunstroke, and so on. Also, it has an adverse effect on the agriculture as there is a decline in the monsoon rainfall and agriculture depends mostly on rainwater in India. So, climate change is affecting my country in a negative way. How does weather affect people's life? Well, weather has a profound influence on people's daily life. It affects everyone's life in many ways. Not only does it affect their food habits, daily routine, but mood as well. For example, pleasant weather makes people happier, whereas unpleasant weather has an opposite influence. Where can people get weather reports in your country? There are numerous sources of getting weather reports, such as television, radios, newspapers, but as individuals are becoming tech savvy, they prefer to know the weather reports through internet by using various applications. What kind of weather do you like the most? I love rainy days. In this weather, the sky is overcast with clouds, which presents a beautiful view of the nature. So, being a nature lover, I like this weather the most. What do you like to do on rainy days? More often than not, I love to have tea with snacks on rainy days. I also like to get wet in the rain and I click pictures of the beautiful sky and post it on my Instagram stories.